We're going to be installing an air deflector on the 2017-18 CRV. Stay tuned. So here's everything that it comes with. All the tools you need to attach it. This is how much it cost. Bought it for 136 on the genuine hood air deflector. Item numbers there. So it comes with everything except instructions on how to do it. First thing you gotta do is open your hood. You'll see this black plastic tab that goes as an air deflector. This is where you're going to be attaching it, and this is right in the way, so you have to put your hands behind it, fingers behind it, and pull it out so it'll fit right through it, just like I was demonstrated here. It'll go under this. So it comes with 4 of these. What do you have to do with this is look up here. Right behind the rubber seal, there's these square grommets. There's one right behind this too. And you have to install these on all 4 locations. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Next thing you have to do is grab this alcohol pad it comes with and clean the hood area where the brackets will go. So you have to pull this back, clean underneath, because we're going to be putting in tape right here. After you're done cleaning, you have to install these tapes. These clear tapes, all 4 locations. Next thing, slide the brackets underneath and install the screws. So here's the tricky part. You're supposed to align this last tab. This is just double-sided tape. It sticks on top of the hood. I would recommend just putting it down with some painter's tape and later down. Once you install it here, then stick it on the bottom. There's the double-sided tape. Once you're done, put this sticker on and you're done.